Western and Eastern cultural values differ in several ways because they stem from historical, philosophical, and religious influences unique to each region. While Western values are often shaped by individualism, secularism, and democracy, Eastern values tend to emphasize collectivism, spirituality, and hierarchy. Let's explore these differences in more detail. Let's talk about Western cultural values first. Western cultures generally prioritize individualism, focusing on personal freedom, self-expression, and independence. People are encouraged to pursue their own goals and assert their opinions, even if they differ from the group. Equality is another core Western value, often reflected in democratic systems and the belief that everyone should have equal opportunities. One example of Western values is the emphasis on individual rights and freedoms. This can be seen in laws protecting freedom of speech and personal choice, which allow individuals to express their views openly. Another example is the focus on personal achievement. Western cultures often celebrate individual accomplishments, such as academic success, career milestones, or creative innovation, as measures of success. The strength of Western cultural values lies in their ability to foster creativity, innovation, and personal growth. By emphasizing individual rights, these cultures encourage people to think critically, take risks, and challenge norms. Additionally, the focus on equality promotes fairness and inclusion, leading to societies where people can pursue opportunities based on merit rather than status. Despite these strengths, Western values are sometimes criticized for overemphasizing individualism, which can lead to isolation or a lack of community support. Critics argue that the focus on personal success may neglect the importance of collective well-being. Additionally, Western cultures can sometimes appear dismissive of traditions or practices rooted in communal or spiritual values. Now let's look at Eastern cultural values. Eastern cultures typically prioritize collectivism, emphasizing the needs of the group over the individual. Family, community, and societal harmony are central to these values. Respect for hierarchy and traditions is also important, often reflected in a strong emphasis on filial piety, elder respect, and adherence to cultural norms. One example of Eastern values is the focus on family and community. In many Eastern cultures, individuals are expected to prioritize family responsibilities and contribute to the well-being of the group. Another example is the emphasis on respect for authority and elders. In countries like China, Japan, and India, traditional hierarchies play a significant role in shaping social and professional interactions, fostering harmony and order. Eastern cultural values are strong because they promote strong social bonds and a sense of belonging. By prioritizing the group's well-being, these cultures create supportive networks where individuals feel cared for and connected. The emphasis on tradition and hierarchy provides stability, fostering respect and harmony in relationships. However, critics of Eastern values argue that the focus on collectivism can sometimes suppress individuality, discouraging personal ambition or self-expression. Additionally, strict adherence to traditions or hierarchies may perpetuate inequality, limiting opportunities for people to challenge societal norms or question authority. Overall, Western and Eastern cultural values each offer unique perspectives on how societies function and prioritize their goals. While Western cultures celebrate individual freedom and equality, Eastern cultures emphasize community, tradition, and harmony. Both sets of values have strengths and weaknesses, and understanding these differences is key to fostering cross-cultural appreciation and cooperation.